Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa, herzlich willkommen. So guys, update here on Plug Power, ticker PLUG. Yeah guys, I'm very happy here to see that we have now a price of $1.86. You may think that I'm rude, but I want to explain you why I'm happy guys, because we're coming now very close here to a potential algo squeeze zone, or where even a short squeeze could be triggered for Plug Power guys. I'm not happy when investors lose their money while the stock is tanking down, but we coming now here very close to a significant price range. That's why I also make this update video here for you. As you know guys, everything what I say here is not financial advice. I give you my opinion based on the chart. So guys, why I'm happy is because we have now here a price below $2, and we have here just two significant price levels in the chart. First of all, when I enable my drawings, you will see, or before I enable my drawings, you will see that we have here a lot of open gaps in the chart. I love that guys, what the market makers doing when they try to create these kind of downtrends. I call them the bear steps. Yeah, you can always see that the price is going a little bit up, coming down, going a little bit up, coming down, up, down, and so on. These are the so-called bear steps, or yeah, call it whatever you want. This is how I call it guys, and this is what happened now here for Plug Power over and over again since we had here one of the peaks at I think $75. Yes. So guys, and this is the chart picture here, but when we zoom in, when we see the big picture right now for Plug Power, then we can see that we have here a very significant, let's call it squeeze price range. And especially when we come here in the $1 range, this is a very critical range for Plug Power, where we see, or where we can start to see some short squeezes. That looks like nothing in the chart guys, but when we measure this price action here, then you can see that this is always here a price move, already a price move of 284%. So this is a lot guys, but then after that Plug Power initiated the big short squeeze. We had the same constellation here, $1.34, boom, huge, massive shakeout. That was horrible guys, yeah, 11 cents, but still Plug Power could recover and could start to short squeeze. And we have the same constellation right now. I'm talking about this since months on my channel guys. I'm waiting here for one specific price level, and I will share that with you right now. So let's enable the drawings and we switch off the indicators for a second. Guys, before I continue here, we have a very nice short squeeze setup for Plug Power, but we have also here something which is not in favor for a short squeeze, and that is the huge float which Plug Power has and the potential delusion which still is coming up here for Plug Power. So be careful with that. Delusion kills a short squeeze momentum. What I'm doing here on the channel is I try to predict short squeezes every week guys. Yeah, we had here end of January last week, we had here a 443% short squeeze, one of my Christmas stocks here. With a delay guys, I expected the squeeze to happen earlier, but with a delay here we squeezed here 443%, and I released now here my brand new hot stock video where I try to predict the short squeezes for the upcoming week guys. Yeah, so when I present these videos here, these tickers have high squeeze potential, and you can see here some of the member feedbacks where my members made huge profits. January is very boring right now. We have a lot of stocks which trading sideways, so there will be a decision in the market if we see more squeezes or not guys. So it is a very good chance right now. If you want to see my secret short squeeze stocks, then you can join our trading community. The most popular membership which I have is the full package membership here on Patreon. Every day new members joining in guys. Feel free to join in if you want. You get all these benefits here, and if you click the info icon in the corner, you get access to the Patreon member link. Guys, I am jacked here for Plug Power. Why? Because I want to see one more shakeout here, one more price level. I'm watching out for this price guys, $1.50. I'm talking about this since weeks. I want to see that Plug Power finally touch $1.50 here, because that would mean that we retest here our uptrend, believe it or not. I know that sounds weird or looks weird when we have here a price drop from $75 to $1.86. That sounds weird, but guys, it came up like that, it comes down like that. So there is a bullish uptrend, and the overall uptrend is saying that we have here a support at the bottom of this trend line. Also, we closed all open down gaps. We have just one open gap in the chart for Plug Power, an open down gap which is waiting here at 15 cents. This is of course a horror scenario, the absolute worst case, but in my opinion, before we talk about price levels of 15 cents, this is of course possible if they would dilute the hell out of the stock. Yeah, then we would have here additional downwards momentum and selling pressure. But for now, based on what we know today, the information we have today, the chart setup and also the float, guys, we have here a short squeeze potential, because when Plug Power touched this support trend line here, we had a squeeze, touched, squeeze, and I'm waiting for that, guys. I'm waiting for that since weeks. We had the last touch point here in December 2018, guys, 2018. Now we're waiting that we touch here this price level, guys, and this is what I'm watching out for. $1.50 is for me the absolute ultra high, go crazy, all in. No, but you know, it's not a financial advice, guys, but I will load up here more shares for Plug Power as soon as we touch this price level. And being that said, guys, yeah, this is what I'm waiting for. Be careful. I can of course delete this open down gap here. We had one more down gap when we had a retest of this trend channel top. You can see the rejection, so that tells me that the algos are still in control here. That means that usually Plug Power trades in this range here, and when we can squeeze out of this trend channel, that is the moment when we see a massive short squeeze for Plug Power. What does that mean? The volatility range, I will delete this orange line here. We don't need that anymore. This down gap is closed. The volatility range, which we just have right now, is here in total 122%. This is not bad, guys. This is good for swing traders here. But if we want to see a big short squeeze for Plug Power, we need to break out of this trend channel here and need to see much higher prices, a price over $3.34 with volume, guys, and then we can see finally a lift off here for Plug Power, and then we can also see a short squeeze. For now, we have here one very important make it or break it price level in the chart, waiting at $2.26. This is here the price level where we find support or resistance depending where the price trades. Keep that in mind. It is possible that we come down here and just start to bounce and get rejected, bounce, get rejected, see a fake out before we see a short squeeze. This is possible, but I will of course update you here on my channel about all the price goals here for Plug Power. But this is what I'm waiting for, guys. So don't get me wrong, I'm not bearish on Plug Power, I'm bullish, but I want to see that we touch $1.50 or even lower. I would not mind if we go lower. What can of course happen is that the market makers gap down the price immediately when we try to retest here this price level, that the market makers will create a gap down in the extended trading hours to break the algos which are waiting here to buy. As I said, this is my opinion, but then we have here all the price levels here in favor for an algo squeeze, $2.07, $2.40 and $3.41, just in favor here for the open gaps. And this is just an algo squeeze and not a big short squeeze. Guys, if you want to copy here the price levels from my chart, this is here everything based on TradingView, what you see here. I use that program for all my videos and all my trades. And if you also want to learn trading, guys, I can highly recommend that program and can offer you here a $15 discount link on the premium tier. When you click the info icon in the corner, you get access to my special TradingView discount link, guys. My friends, that was the update on Plug Power. If you don't want to miss any updates and if you like this video here, then please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I appreciate your support. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one. Arigato gozaimasu. Vielen Dank. Alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.